a small idea from me. When you're working with small things, this big glass plate surface is too big to put into the oven. So I found these small picture frames in a secondhand store, and I only gave a little for this, and I found a few that is a bit bigger for bigger projects, but the small one here is really neat. All what you do is you take out the glass plate here from the frame, and here you have a work surface that you actually can put into the oven like it is without melting it or damaging it, or making the polymer clay glue to it. I had this big plastic thing, but when I put it into the oven, my creations was stuck to it, really stuck. I had to cut it off, and that ruined my creations. So a glass plate would be really good to work on, and this one is so small that you can turn it around and do whatever you want to before you put it into the oven. So that was just a little tip from here. Happy crafting!